Good morning, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Indian government's EV manufacturing scheme. New Relic appoints Ashish Agrawal as CFO. Apple acquires Darwin AI for generative AI features. Motorola India's event for Motorola Edge 50 Pro launch. Vivo confirms launch of Vivo T3 5G in India. iQOO's upcoming launch of iQOO Z9 Turbo. Poco X6 Neo 5G launch in India and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. The Indian government has approved a scheme to promote India as a manufacturing destination for e-vehicles (EVs), requiring a minimum investment of rupees 4,150 crore with no maximum investment cap. The policy aims to attract investment from global EV manufacturers, providing Indian consumers with access to the latest technology, boost the Make in India initiative and strengthen the EV ecosystem. Limited imports of cars at lower custom duty will be allowed for companies setting up manufacturing facilities for EVs with a maximum of 40,000 EVs produced at a rate of not more than 8,000 per year. New Relic, an all-in-one observability platform, has appointed Ashish Agrawal as its new Chief Financial Officer, bringing nearly 3 decades of experience in high-growth technology companies. Agrawal will oversee global finance operations and strengthen the company's strategic direction, having previously served in leadership roles at McAfee, Akamai Technologies, and Symantec. Apple has acquired Canada-based AI startup Darwin AI, expected to bring generative AI features to iOS 18, including human-like responses and AI-based automation in services like Apple Music and Apple Care. The acquisition aims to integrate Darwin AI's technology for visually inspecting components during manufacturing into Apple's products, enhancing automation and user experience. Motorola India is set to hold an event on 3rd April in New Delhi, likely to launch the Motorola Edge 50 Pro smartphone with advanced AI-backed features and available in black, purple, and white color options. The device is expected to be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, feature a curved 6.7-inch display with a 165Hz refresh rate and a triple rear camera unit, along with a 4500 mAh battery supporting fast charging. Vivo has confirmed the launch of the Vivo T3 5G in India on 21st March, featuring a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, a dual camera setup, and expected to be priced around Rs 20,000. The device is speculated to share similarities with the recently launched iQOO Z9 5G, offering a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset, 8GB RAM, and storage option of 128GB to 256GB. iQOO is set to launch the iQOO Z9 Turbo in the coming weeks, featuring a 1.5K display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 SoC, and a 6000 mAh battery, along with a 144Hz refresh rate, 50-megapixel dual camera shooter, and 80-watt fast charging support. The phone aims to offer high-performance specifications targeting users seeking advanced features in their smartphones. The Poco X6 Neo 5G, a mid-range 5G phone, has been launched in India at a competitive price of Rs 15,999, powered by a MediaTek 5G chip and offering variant with 8GB to 128GB and 12GB to 256GB configurations. The device features a 6.67-inch FHD plus Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 108-megapixel rear camera, 16-megapixel front camera, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and run on MIUI 14 based on Android 13. Launch offers include discount on ICICI Bank cards, exchange offers, and no-cost EMI option, making it an attractive package for budget-conscious buyers seeking performance, display quality, and camera capabilities. This is Harshit signing off. Follow IT Voice to stay up to date on all the latest tech news.
Hello and welcome to the weekly news recap. Here are the top 5 stories from this week. Bill Gates meets PM Modi for AI and global collaboration, focusing on health and climate initiatives. Airtel adopts recycled PVC SIMs, cutting plastic and emissions for sustainability. Ola's Bhavish Agarwal launches Kritrim AI and multilingual chatbot, entering the AI landscape. India hits 820 million internet users with growth in OTT and rural contributions. IIT Madras launches platform for startup info, capital access and mentorship democratization.